recent downturn, 69% answer it's a good buying opportunity. Yeah. 28 say we'll stick range bound. Only 3% say the worst is not
we've been
over.
saying exactly the same thing. Pick a sector. Pick financials. It's been a buying opportunity for 16 months now. You've just done nothing except put money to die. I mean, it's to me, you're going to be rewarded for in 2019 buying names that you have tremendous visibility on, that have quality balance sheets where leverage is declining. And above all, when you hear a forecast, you believe it. And I think the tone, and a good example, I was at this desk the day we listened to the tape on Apple pulling away from unit sales. You have been slaughtered in that name because of lack of transparency and a whole bunch of other issues. But the point is, that was a shot across the bow of every S&P CEO understanding that you better tell people how to measure success in your business. Because that's what I listen for now when I listen to tape. When I hear a call, tell me what you're going to do the next quarter, the quarter after that. Do I believe you or not?
Okay, so what do you make of the most recent Apple announcement, right? The bombshell they dropped on the market while you were on Safari.
Last time I was here, I said I'd start looking at Apple at 140. I'm still not going to buy it there because I think there's going to be more bad news on margin. Only because anecdotally, every Uber driver in every city, I've went to 7 cities in the last 10 days. Not one of them was using an Apple phone. Everybody's using Samsung tablets and Huawei phones. And I asked them why. They say $200 cheaper. It's 28%.
But they never were buyers, though, right?
Yeah,
but they never
per capita
The strategy
income.
was we're going to now start growing in India. We're going to grow in South Africa. We're going to grow in the Middle East. You don't even see an iPhone over there.
True.
So that was
But you never have.
Well, then where are they going to grow? It's not going to be here. We're kind of tapped out. I think it's bad news. And my whole point is companies like that make it less transparent and say, believe me, I can do it, I'll figure out how later, are going to get slaughtered. And that's why I like transparency, I like quality balance sheets, and my favorite theme for 2019, cash flow.
But the majority of you don't see the recent pullback as a buying opportunity?
I think there are specific buying opportunities in names, and we've been talking about that for weeks now. But just this idea that because a stock gets cheap, you can extrapolate that and say, hey, the market is a buy. I don't think that works right now. So I think, look, there are people whose strategy is to own broad indices and not make individual stock calls. And then there are people who only are making individual stock calls. So I don't think there's a right answer that covers the gamut of the way people invest.